Welcome back to our program Belajar Bersama. This program make learning even more exciting and fun. And today's topic is about sea creatures. Okay, our teacher is Miss Daisy. So without any further ado, Miss Daisy, let's get started.
Terima kasih Sandia. Yes, tadi kita sudah belajar tentang sea creatures atau binatang-binatang yang ada di laut. Kenapa ya kita harus menjaga lingkungan, terutama menjaga hewan-hewan di laut? Menurut kalian, teman-teman di rumah ataupun teman-teman di studio, boleh nggak ya kalau overfishing atau menangkap ikan yang secara berlebihan? Yes?
Tidak boleh, karena ikan di laut akan punah.
Betul sekali. Terima kasih dengan agam. Kita tidak boleh overfishing karena akan membuat binatang-binatang atau ikan-ikan di laut segera punah atau cepat punah. Terus pertanyaan yang berikutnya, kira-kira boleh nggak ya kita buang sampah? Atau misalnya kalian ada yang lagi jalan-jalan, terus buang sampahnya ke laut. Boleh nggak ya? Menurut kalian gimana? Menurut teman-teman? Yes?
Tidak boleh.
Why?
Karena akan mengotori laut.
Yes. Kalau kita buang sampah harus pada tempatnya. Kalau kita buang ke laut, binatang-binatang di laut akan merasa benda tersebut adalah makanan dan mereka akan memakannya. Itu yang membuat ikan-ikan atau binatang laut lainnya juga mati dan punah. Teman-teman ada yang pernah berandai-andai?
Pernah.
Hari ini kita mau berandai-andai. Kita mau belajar tentang pengandaian. Or we can say if conditional type 1. So why do we need if conditional type 1? It is used to express the events in the present or in the future. Let's take a look at here. If conditional type 1 with the formula if clause or the conditions, and then the main clause with the result as the result. So for the conditions we use simple present. If you still remember simple present, we can use with verb want. Verb want. And then simple future will use will with the verb want. Okay, let's take a look at the example. If global warming continues to get worse, sea level will rise. We see here, this is the conditions. The condition is if the global warming continues to get worse. And continues here as the present simple or simple present. If it is getting worse, and what will happen? The result is the sea level will rise. So this is the simple future. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's see the questions. Now, let's think about this. What will happen in the future if there is a big oil spill? Do you guys can answer my questions? Anyone can answer my question here? Yes?
If there is a big oil spill, sea future will disappear.
Oh, okay. Can you help me to write your answer? Okay, thank you. If there is a big oil spill, sea creatures will disappear. Let's see the answer. Is that right? What do you think, guys? Is it right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the answer. What will happen in the future if there is a big spill, a big oil spill? Yes, sea creatures will disappear. So let's see. After if here, this is the condition. After the conditions is the result. The result is used future tense and the condition is using simple present. Ready for the next questions?
Yay!
Now imagine what will happen if the sea creatures disappear. Oh, can you imagine what will happen if the sea creatures disappears? Anyone can help me to solve this one? Yes, what's your name?
My name is Haluma.
Haluma. What do you think the answer is, Haluma?
If that say turtles disappear, we won't have as much food as we need.
Can you help me to write down your answer? Okay, thank you. Let's see. If the sea creatures disappear, we won't have as much as food as we need. Ya, kita sekarang banyak ikan yang boleh kita makan, yang bisa kita makan. Bayangkan kalau ternyata banyak ikan yang punah, jadi sumber makanan kita akan berkurang. Itu dia, kita harus menjaga ekosistem laut. Okay, guys, I have next questions. You ready for the next questions?
Ready.
Okay. Sometimes people throw the garbage into the oceans. What will happen if we throw the plastic bottle into the sea? As I explained before, plastic bottle is also type of the garbage. Yeah. It can be harmful for the animals. What will happen if we throw the plastic bottles into the ocean or into the sea? Do you know what will happen? Yes, what's your name?
Namaku Marsha. If we throw plastic bottles into the sea, some sea creatures will eat them.
Marcia, can you help me to write your answer?
Yes, Miss.
Thank you, Marcia. So, if we throw plastic bottle into the sea, some sea creatures will eat them. This is the conditions in the simple present, and this is as the result in the simple future. They will eat them. Can you imagine if the animals eat the plastic bottles? What will happen? They will die. And then, if they die, the animals will disappear. Okay guys, kita sudah belajar tentang if conditional type 1. Kita sudah belajar tentang bagaimana penggunaan if conditional type 1. Miss kasih tahu lagi, if conditional type 1 digunakan untuk mengekspresikan event yang terjadi sekarang itu sebagai condition dan result itu di future. Simple present and with the result in the future tense. Oke, so guys, gimana? Menarik bukan apa yang kita sudah pelajari?
Iya.
Ya. Miss mau review lagi. Kira-kira kalau overfishing tidak boleh karena akan mengganggu ekosistem lingkungan. Dan oil spill adalah minyak yang mungkin dibawa dan tumpah di lautan. Kebayang nggak limbah oil di lautan? Apa yang akan terjadi? akan merusak juga ekosistem di dalam laut. Sama seperti overfishing, akan membuat ikan-ikan di dalam laut juga punah. Kalau ikan-ikan di lautan punah, maka kita juga akan kekurangan sumber makanan. Oke, demikian penjelasan tentang if conditional type 1. Semoga bermanfaat. Kembali ke Sandia.
Hai everyone, gimana? Tadi seru banget ya? So interesting. Nah, teman-teman, setelah ini ada yang lebih seru lagi nih, karena kita akan belajar tentang marine sea creatures. Kita akan tahu nih, seberapa banyak makhluk hidup yang ada di laut. So, don't go anywhere, we'll be right back.